How to make QR code for link. Go to this website, log in if you have an account, create an account if you don't have an account. After that, click on create new QR. Here you can see different options. Click on URL or link. Here we need to upload our link here. This is my website. Copy this website link and paste the link here. We can name our QR code. This is optional. My website link. Select the category as well, business and finance. Click on customize and download QR. Here we can change the pre-made templates. We can customize these templates. You can see 53 others as well. I select this. After that, we can change the frames as well. You can see there are lots of options. We can change the body patterns. I select this one. We can change the color as well. We can change this as well. We can add the logo as well. If you have a custom logo, you can upload an image as well. After that, here you can select the size as well. Here you can change the format and select the format. After that, click on download QR code. Here you can see the PNG file. Open this PNG file. Let me check this. Open the camera in your mobile. Here you can see the QR code link. Click it here. Here you can see this is my website. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.